Hello friends, welcome to Discoveries in Mixed Media. Today we are going to age this tag, make it look really old using paint. When you use paint to make things look old, you want to make sure you're working on a non-porous surface. So this was a tag that I had created out of a master board, and then I went ahead and I'm straightening it out. I went ahead and I coated it with matte medium fluid, and that seals it. So now we can use the paint, and the point of it is so that the paint can go on, but it won't absorb into it, so it won't be too heavy. We don't want to paint it brown, we just want to make it look old. Okay, and then I have this little thing that says T. This is a little die cut. I had cut this out on my Cricut, and I'd like to also age this a bit too. We're going to put this on the tag, but I'd like to age it as well. All right, my friends, I have my little paint palette, and I'm going to add a little bit of brown paint, just about a drop, because you know this is just a tag. We're not going to need that much paint. And I'm adding a little bit of this. This is antique gold. Let's add a drop of that as well. Okay. Now let's see. We're going to stir this together, and we're going to see what color we end up with. That's funny. The gold basically took over. Isn't that funny? I didn't expect that. That's really funny. So I feel like I'd like this to be a little bit more brown. I'm just going to try to go in with one drop again. What do you think about that? That's not bad. Let's play with that, I think. Let's give that a shot. I didn't want it to be too mustardy, but I think we might have it right here. All right, I have a little piece of a paper towel because I want to try rubbing it and just to see what happens. And actually, I should put something down on my table. Okay, because I want to go around the edges, right? Oh, I forgot to glue our T word down, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and do it. Okay. Oh, I kind of like this. I see. So we're just going to rub it. I want a little bit more, but not too much more. That definitely looks aged. Check that out. Now let's go around the corners to make sure that we can go a little heavier. I don't mind going a little heavier around the corners. The corners and the edges. All right, what do you think? That definitely looks aged. Now, since I didn't brown this up while I was doing the tag, I probably should do that now. So I'm gonna grab my little paper towel that I had since it already has ink on it. And let's see what happens to this. You can see that it's pink. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to dab it first, and then I'll spread it around. I kind of like for this one dabbing it because maybe some of the pink will sort of show through. All right, that's it. I don't want to add any more to that. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna bring this back over. So I wanted to share this with you because sometimes we don't have ink, sometimes we don't have the right color ink. Inking over the whole thing would give a different texture. So this is, I mean, this definitely looks aged. I mean, check it out. So let's go ahead and add our little thing that says T. I'm gonna add that to it. And then we'll go ahead and use ink around the edges for another layer of color. So if I was working on a larger project, this would be great because, you know, a little bit of paint can go a long way. All right, we're going to get this on here. Okay. All right, now I'm going to go around the edges. I am going to use black because we already have brown paint around the edges, so let's really punch it up with some black. I don't use black very often, but it definitely has its place in our crafty world. Just ask our friend Bex. She loves it. All right. That is looking good. Super, super good. I love it. Really tempted to hit the word T with some of this. I don't know if yeah, let's just do it. Let's do it. There, check it out. Okay, got a little bit on there. That's good. All right, my friends, now I'm gonna add a little bling to this, but I'm going to use black flat back pearls. And I'm just gonna do 3, I think, right here, and maybe 3 here. Let's start with these over on this side. I think a piece of cotton would be great for the tab, and I'm also thinking that I want to get some of this color onto this cotton, and I think I was just wanted to test it to see how it would go on with the stick, but I think I'd better off just dipping it in here, sort of like that, and then just crunching it together a little bit, just rolling it around. So there is that, and then I think what we'll do is move that out of the way, bring the brown ink in, and we're going to lay this down like that, and then just touch it. There, that's looking good. Yep, I like it. Okay, that's looking pretty grungy and old. Definitely looks like it's been around a little bit, right? Should we experiment with putting a little bit of the black ink on it? That looks nice. I like that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and adhere this to our tag, our aged tag. Okay, my friends, what do you think? I think aging with paint and then adding a little ink to it really definitely made this look old. For sure. So I hope you enjoyed this, my friends. And I always appreciate you being here. If there's anything you'd like to see me do during our discoveries with mixed media, just let me know and I'll work it into the schedule. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got something out of it. I hope that you discovered something new. I know that I did. And thanks for watching. See you soon.